Alright, in today's video, we're going to shoot my cousin's airsoft gun. And here's to introduce. His name's Maddox, my name's Boyd. We're going to shoot this target. We're going to shoot that box target, the airsoft. And on Sundays and Saturdays, we're going to go over to our fort, and we might stay the night in one. Friday and Saturday, we're going to go bow hunting. One day we're going to go, on Thursday we're going to go practicing. On Friday we're going to go hunting for rabbits. Here is the biggest animals we have both killed. He has killed what point of the deer? He has killed a 6 point. Mine was a 5 point. They were both ducks. Bucks. Yeah, sorry. Bucks. Sorry. We're sorry about that. Let's get to it. Wait, just give us a minute because it got jammed. And okay, we're gonna have to stay here and just wait a minute because all these BBs are gone. There's some more here. We are like super exhausted. We had a hard day. A hard day. Come out here and we will hunt we on him. You guys. He's putting the mag in the gun. Now my cousin that y'all met, Maddox, he's gonna shoot the gun now. To watch more videos and you can't find us, just type in Hunter on YouTube and you'll find us, and see y'all later.